Kajing penlong ya ka Special Intensive Revision SIR arta apun rio jongka electoral roll hakeleng gejela hakasingi ke beningkong kelaya syakman hakabagi boot level officer BLO kilalet benrung shaman lagi tliu yeng ban sam ya ki enumeration form nadu kalai potrik jilio arta apun rio kabalongkum shibenta jongka program bala pembenadak Election Commission of India ong Chief Electoral Officer u Dr. BDR Tiwari hakashi tarik naitung. Kajing temu bakong san jong SIR kalong ban pentik na ba omde bandan kinong thep vote ki badai hok bakin sha e no kat ba ki briu ki bamde hok kin sha kin thup hak electoral roll ulaong. U Tiwari ulaong bahaka ni kasngi ka baning kong jong ka jinglet rung yeng lala ban sam hadu shilak khandai hajar shispa ar khandai liki enumeration form hakeleng gejela banle ya ka SIR archa apun rio kabakat hadu san point hinyo percent na ki jingdan jong ki nong thep vote ha gejela upen tip ru baki dan hadu lai hajar san spa san huingut ki BLO hakeleng gejela Batman ki BLO ki haban kami ya hendrius pa ndri po arngut ki nong thep vote. Barok kini ki BLO ki day ki bala dep yo ya ki jingi kai banle ya kan kam. Ula ong bagi la don ru hadu hendriu po ngut ki electoral registration officer. Si spa ndri po ngut ki assistant electoral registration officer. Bat saw spa si po ngut ki BLO supervisor la dep ban thong bat ai jingi kai ban kami ya kan jingle SIR. Barok kidan hadu ar pulailak sab kundai hajar hendrius pak sapusan hut kinong thep vote ha Meghalaya. U Dr. Tiwari ula pentip baka South West Garo Hills kelalam keman da ar po point sab kundai percent haka jingsa miki enumeration form both saka North Garo Hills bakat shipho point percent South Garo Hills hendriu point hendriu penyo percent but West Garo Hills hendriu point san percent. Ka East Khasi Hills kabadan bun kinong thep vote la depan sam hadu arpu prajar hendriu tiliki form la ni 0.9% na kinong thep vote kat hadu kalai bejijan mit jongka shi tarik naitung. Kani ka jinglet pensisha haman lagi tliu yeng kan ngai beteng tat hadu ka arpu kundai trik naitung. Ula ong bahaka ni ka jinglet rung yeng ki BLO kin ai ki form duplicate bat lumbiang yaki tang marsen dap pendam. Om dan kami ki wepat ki kat ban kershani kerteng hagan ke jinglum kerteng ong u Dr. Tiwari. Ula ong ru bala dajia balap ya ki yeng bakhang tala ki BLO kin ki form bat kin sawan biang hadu laisien ban lumiki. Kinong thep vote ki don ru kalat ban pha ki form online ling baka ECINET mobile app lani ko voter services portal voters.eci.government.in. Kenang banyarap ikinong thep vote ka electoral roll jong snam arjar san nak SIR bakat do on sa tab hapo ko website u CEO ka website ki board district ECINET app bat ka voter services portal ki BLO ru kila ban khmi ya ka electoral roll arjar san
in the legacy electoral roll 2005, but name of their parents or grandparent appear therein. The elector may furnish the relevant details of the such parent grandparents in the enumeration form. So for any more information, electors may contact their respective BLOs, and name and contact detail of BLOs are displayed at respective polling stations, or they may get through the ECI net app also, and then or they may book a call with the BLO. So and this ECI net app may be downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store iOS platform, or there are the QR codes also given, and we did the larger publicity, so they may scan and download these ECINet mobile app. So it will be very helpful, and all the ECI related different services are being extended through this ECINet mobile app. So for all stakeholders, either BLOs, EROs, DOs, and all the election, even CVGIL, all things integrated in this one app. So it will be very useful for all electoral election related services, informations, etc. So I would like to request through you to all the electors and people in Meghalaya, may please download this ECI Net app, which will be very, very useful for all the purposes, especially during the SIR exercises ongoing also. So, and we request all the electors during this phase to cooperate with the booth level officer during their visit, carefully fill up the enumeration forms and return the complete form to the BLOs within the prescribed time. So we would like to appeal all eligible electors on behalf of the entire election machinery of the state and on behalf of Honorable Election Commission of India to participate in this special intensive revision to ensure that the electoral roll remains accurate, complete and up to date, and no eligible elector to be left behind and no ineligible elector to be included. In that concern, we have not come across any such complaint, and we have extended all the BLOs are properly trained. We did proper publicity through different social media platform, advertisements, and even booth level programs also being happening. And BLOs are very, and they are supported with the BLO supervisors are there, AEROs, EROs are there, district machineries are there. So if there is any complaint, people may access, there is 1950, this toll free number, and they may, any complaint they may, if any problem happen, any issue is happen, they may approach to BLO as well as to the other senior official, either supervisor, to AEROs, ERO, DEOs, even including the CEO officers are also. We are here to ensure this process to be conducted hassle-free in very smooth way without having any problem, and to ensure the mandate of Honorable Election Commission of India to make our electoral roll accurate, complete and up to date. Told whose name is not there might be their parents or grandparents' name we found in the electoral roll of the 2005. So because somebody might become eligible voter, attain 18 years of age in 2010, so who that person's name will not be in the 2005 electoral roll. Then they can give the legacy through that their parents and relatives name will be given, so the column is there and they may fill that link. So that is the first criteria we have chosen. And if they are not voter, so they should be they should posted in that particular area, so that should be their serving area, so they should be familiar of that terrain, locality and people. So that is one thing. And as well as there are the BLAs from the political parties, and a good number of BLAs recently the political parties, I would like to appreciate, they come forward and initiated this process to appoint BLAs in the state of Meghalaya also. Earlier they are not appointed BLAs so far due to several reasons. So now we are getting all cooperation from the political parties. We have the meeting at the different level and regular we are in touch with them. So any issue, any complaint come to and come across at any level, we will be there with all our team of BLO to the DO and CO office also to facilitate. So field functionaries like the BLO supervisors, ERO, AEROs, they are on the task, so they are looking after this entire process and they will address any issue which will arise. Responsibility: no person can be voter in more than one place in the India. So anybody, whoever is filling enumeration form, they are giving the declaration ki I am filling this one and I am voter in this part only. So it is an offense if person willingly giving this one in the more than one place, and they may be liable to get the punishment under the relevant.
Is it correct that if your name does not appear?
No, it will. After 2005, there are more than around 10 lakh voters increased. So their name is not there in the 2005 voter list. So they can give at least then lineage, and their name of their parents or grandparents might be there in the voter list. So that will help.
So
Whoever are our voters, and they will be given the enumeration form. And as I already told, no one can be voter in more than one place. So it is anybody willingly becoming voter more than keeping more than one epic card in the different places. So the dual voter system, through the SIR process, they are not submitting the enumeration form we have come across in the different states, because they can submit in one place. So person can submit their enumeration form in one place, and where they want to remain as